Want to add or remove debit or credit card on Temu? Then you're on the right video. I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily add or remove credit or debit card. First thing first, move into the official website of Temu, into your login credentials and log in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on your profile at the top right. Once you're in this page, you need to head over to Settings. Over here, you will see the option of Settings right above Switch Accounts. Once you're inside the settings, you need to click on your payment methods. Well, if you haven't added any of the credit or debit card, then simply click on Add a credit or debit card. Now enter the detailed information of your card. First thing first, enter card number, expiration date, and CVV code as well. Once done, you can also add the billing address. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Add your card at the bottom of the screen. The card will be added. If you want to remove it, you can simply click on the card that you have added, and at the bottom right corner you'll see the option to remove. Click on Remove and tap on Confirm. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.